This is by far the rainiest morning that we've ever been packing the camper up to get ready to go somewhere. We're still gonna make the best of it though. So there's our emergency brake. It's already getting worn. Don't know if you can see that. But it's also just kind of annoying every time you hook up, weaving that through, making sure it's safe. So we're gonna try the new Fastway 6-foot trailer breakaway cable. There you go. And then that clips on to the truck. Easy. We're in the full hookup section, the B3. We got your water. Sewer. And electric is 50 and 30 amp. Very nice private wooded sites. Alum Creek State Park, very convenient, very close to Polaris Mall. Couldn't think of the name of it. Cool spot if you're visiting Columbus. We're definitely putting this on the list of places that we could see ourselves coming back to quite a few times.
The light is on.
So this is probably the wettest, rainiest trip that we've ever intentionally packed up for, knowing it was gonna be wet and rainy. But we're making the best of it because this is not a true camping trip. This is more of a glamping trip where we're using our camper like as a mobile hotel. Today we're getting ready to go to the Columbus Zoo and Aquarium, so we're a little excited to get going there. Been there a couple times. It's always an awesome zoo. Very good theming. baby, Michaela? Oh, cheers. What is it? Is it a giraffe? Is it a zebra? Is it a... It is an okapi. So the African pancake tortoise is what?
Stacked like pancakes. And that's why we call it a turtleneck. There he goes.
They're talking. That's what it sounds like.
You start getting It says happy bird.
They're telling jokes.
7 bucks.
That's cool. So after the Columbus Zoo, what else would you do?
Ice cream.
Grader's ice cream. .7 miles. And bathhouse. Jason's got 3 shower stalls. Well, the bathrooms are very clean. I have noticed they look a little more outdated compared to some of the state parks. But not bad. Don't know if I'd want to go swimming right there. This would be cool for launching a kayak. But it is a private beach for campers only. Oh, there's another yurt. See, some of my favorite sights are when there's complete woods around and you can't tell where your neighbor is. And there's Isaac. There's a volleyball court underwater. Are you okay? Oh, that was awesome.
I'm going down it slow.
Oh, you did it fine that time. So we are all packed up, ready to go, leaving Alum Creek. So we are taking off. Don't know where we're going next, but we will see you next time.